Hello, welcome to City Bytes. Today I'm browsing some interesting stocks, which what I found while it's my daily browsing habit. So I found China ETFs seems to be interesting at this point. So the three China ETFs I'm looking today is FXI, KWEB, and MCHI. So I'm taking help from the barchart.com, where if you look at my screen, the FXI is China Large-Cap iShares ETF, and the assets under management is 4 billion plus. Fund family is BlackRock iShares. Outstanding shares is 183K, which you add three more zeros, that means 183 million. So, and the management fees is 0.74%. Okay, this is the annual dividend 0.76. Price to earning trailing 12 months is 10.62. Okay, and this is the chart. Okay, if you look at the chart, the max, you know, I was guessing by the chart it would be around 16, the max. Lowest is 1672 to 1774. Right now it is 2202. Okay. And if I look at 1 year low, 5 years, I guess 2006 is the lowest by looking at this chart. And If you look at the price performance, say 1 month it is 21.99 to 24.25. 3 months is 21.99 to 27.42, and 52 weeks is 21.99 to 33.38. That's what it says. Okay, so it seems interesting for me. And the KWEB, its fund family is KraneShares, and assets under management is 5 billion plus. Outstanding shares is uh, 200, 200 million plus. If you add the K to it, three more zeros will be added. So 200 million on top of it, 150,000, I guess. And most recent dividend is 0.42, which is 0.46%, 1.81%. And price to earnings trailing 12 months is 0.05, and management fee is 0.69%. Okay, and 1 month to performance is 24.42 to 27.19. 3 months is 24.42 to 29.09, and 52 weeks is 24.34 to 36.19. This is about KWEB, which is CSI China Internet ETF. KWEB. It seems to be interesting for me. When you take the max, I believe that it is around 1772 point. When I'm looking at the lowest point, by looking at the chart, that's what I'm guessing. Probably might not be right, but and 5 years is 16.6, 17.72, something like that. And 1 year is also the lowest point, which I see is here 24.48. So, and this stats, I mean, information, the other information we already looked at it. The average volume is 22,847,000 plus. Okay, so this is the average volume. When we talk about FXI, the average volume is 41,409,738. It seems like. Okay. So right now, if I look at MCHI, this is also a BlackRock iShares fund family, and assets under management is 5 billion plus. Outstanding shares is 139 million plus, and price to earning trailing 12 months is 10.89. Most recent dividend is 0.994 on 12/20/23. Management fee is 0.58%. Okay. And price for performance is 1 month is 37.60 to 41.45. Based on the current volatility, this is what they are showing us. It might decrease or increase. We don't know. Nobody knows whether it's from here it's going to go up or it's going to go down. Nobody knows about it. So 3 months 37.60 to 45.24, 52 weeks 37.60 to 56.30. Okay. So, the performance, when you looked at it, the percentages are given next to it. So 52 weeks, if you look at that, then since he has given that, since 01/13/23, it is down like minus 16%, 16.23%. That's what I'm guessing. Okay. So these three looks interesting. And I'm just trying to go to the iShares BlackRock iShares um, website. This is the website iShares.com. I'm comparing these two ETFs, which is FXI and MCHI. This is China 50 index, and this is MSCI China index. Okay, both are in 2024. I mean, sorry, as of today. So this is 4 billion plus and 5 billion plus. Current prospect gross expense ratio is 0.74, 0.59. Net expense ratio is 0.74, 0.59. And these are the holdings. If you look at that, top 10 holdings. Okay. So it has Alibaba 9.18%. You know, um, if you look at these are the holdings, and these are the holdings for MCHI. Okay. So 13.67 is Tencent Holdings, and you can look at this screen. By looking at this screen, you can figure it out what are the top 10 holdings for FXI and MCHI. And I'm going to the KraneShares website, which basically want to see on their website too. So the price performance is right here. The daily performance is right here, which is NAV, daily NAV change, market price. Right now, this is the price that's going on as of today. And this is the cumulative percentage performance history. And I just want to see what they have in the fund. So these are the holdings. You look at the holdings, the top 10 holdings is right here based on the percentage of net assets that in the ETF they are holding. So take a look at this, and This itself, you can look at by looking at the chart, you can take a guess what's the price. What's the growth rate? At present, it is the China ETFs are it's the China ETFs are down pretty much on a bigger percentages. So as of it seems interesting. That's why it seems interesting. There will always be some reasons why um, a particular ETF or particular ticker symbol is going down. Um, do your own research and see whether is is that going to be a good buy or not. I'm not sure. So I found this interesting. That's the reason I'm just doing a small video. If you um, by by doing your own research, take a look at these websites or take a look at these three symbols and see whether it makes sense for you. Okay, thank you. Um, Signing off. This is Siri Whites. Please share this or like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye.